Hello there. Well, winds here at home did gust up to 170 kilometres per hour in Mallinhead in County Donegal this morning. And even though that storm centre has now moved into Scandinavia, still widespread gales for ourselves tomorrow. Now, much further to the south of us, and tropical downpours really starting to feed down into southern Africa at the moment, with temperatures at their best about 33 to 37 degrees Celsius, but very unsettled there, as you can see, amidst that warm weather. Warm, dry and sunny, meanwhile, for the most part across the subcontinent of India, with just a little bit of showery rain along that east coast. For China right now, Beijing will see temperatures of -6 degrees Celsius for tomorrow, and indeed for Tokyo 4, so we're just above that freezing mark with wet and windy conditions here. A few showers showing up meanwhile for Hong Kong, with the mildest of weather, 13 degrees Celsius to be expected. Meanwhile, further to the south, a lot of tropical downpours really taking hold across Borneo, Thailand and indeed Indonesia, with temperatures mainly in the mid-20s, much hotter across the continent of Australia, with a band of heavy and thundery downpours stretching from Darwin right down towards that south coast, but on either side plenty of dry, warm and sunny conditions. It's considerably cooler for New Zealand and indeed very showery, particularly so for the South Island over the coming days. Meanwhile, across the Pacific Ocean, and heavy thundery downpours also stretching right up through Chile and indeed Brazil, with temperatures in and around the 30-degree mark or so. The mid-20s for Cuba. It is their dry season here at the moment, and through much of the United States, dry and settled, but indeed with wet and windy conditions for the likes of Seattle and Vancouver. Also very cold indeed along that east coast, with cold air really settling in. -4 to be expected in New York for tomorrow. Meanwhile, stormy conditions overnight for Scandinavia and the Low Countries. It will cause further air and indeed sea disruption, and possibly even some problems with ferries from Ireland for tomorrow. We will indeed see those widespread gales on the way. Good night.